All right, tell us your story and the experience you had with us in general, brother.
Thank you, Miss. Based on the value you're going to get from this program, what Mr. Akin is actually charging is less than the value you're going to get. I would say that if he's actually doing this for money, you're probably going to be paying about 70 to 10,000 US dollar. But one thing I want you to be sure of is that it's not just going to be a training. Apart from enrolling in the program, the Lions Den, there are other resources like the AI class. He has several programs that you are going to be plugging into that we expose you to a lot of things that will give you confidence to do more. So you are welcome, guys, and I hope you all get better opportunity. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Mr. Ife. I appreciate you, brother. Thank you so much. Thank you, sir.
My name is Tiwa. What can I say? If you're on this call tonight, consider yourself
Lucky.
extremely lucky and privileged.
I just want to say to everybody that if you are ever looking for a career where the trajectory of your life is going to change dramatically, you're in the right place. And Mr. Akin's courses, it can be more real than that.
To throw questions to you or give you a task, you can always come back home with your skill weed to, if you're confused about anything, so you always have the mentors. Mr. Kife will be there to support you, and then the rest of us, we got you. So come on, sign up if you haven't.
My experience with Skillweed in this new industry. So I actually found out about Skillweed last year through a friend, and I decided to look more into it. One of the questions I asked Professor Akin was, will we be able to get like full-time roles with this industry? He said yes, there's an abundance of full-time roles. Professor Akin has been supportive, as well as the other members of the team. We have a WhatsApp group, so we're able to discuss,
I
our
like,
project
I like
foundation.
that too.
Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, what would you say to somebody that says, okay, and I've heard this a lot. All right, what about if I get a job? Am I going to be on my own? What do you say to them, Tony?
Yes, I know that is the fear at times. Like, it's very normal to just have like imposter syndrome, or feel unqualified. But thankfully, Professor Akin, he doesn't leave you hanging, as well as the rest of the team. We have like our WhatsApp chat that we talk in to bring up new questions and come up with new ideas, as well as brainstorm as to how we can assist each other. So there's a lot of support even after you get a job.
Thank you, Tommy.